In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage on the Wix editor. Whether you're redesigning your website or simply updating the main page your visitors see, changing your homepage is a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. Let's dive into it. First, open your Wix editor. This is where the magic happens and where you can visually create and customize your website. Once you're in the editor, look for the Pages and Menu icon. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like a little page, making it easy to identify. Click on this icon to proceed to the next step. Now, once you've clicked on the Pages and Menu icon, you'll see a list of all the pages currently available on your Wix site. This list might include your home page, contact page, about page, or any other pages you've been working on. Take a moment to locate the page that you'd like to set as your new home page. Hover your mouse over this page name. As you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appearing next to it. This icon provides additional options and is the key to setting your new home page. Click on the three-dot icon. This will bring up a menu with several options related to the selected page. One of these options is labeled Set as Home Page. Go ahead and select this option. By doing so, you are telling Wix that you want this particular page to become the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your site's web address. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set a new homepage for your Wix website. This change is immediate, so feel free to preview your site to ensure everything looks great and is functioning as desired. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Remember that your homepage plays a crucial role in the impression your website makes on visitors. Make sure that the page you choose is welcoming and represents your brand effectively. Also, regularly updating your homepage is a good practice to keep your content fresh and engaging for returning visitors. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and remember, making adjustments to your website is a part of the creative process. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment within the Wix editor. It's designed to be intuitive and give you the freedom to create just the look you're going for. That's all for today. Happy editing, and see you next time.